Hello, in this video I will explain you all the things you need to know about package. Packages are different than packagings, while packagings are really the different formats under which you will see your product, like a pack of three, a box with each time 20 units inside, or a pallet with 500 units inside. So for the packaging, this notion is specific to one product, and you will see each time the same amount of quantity inside. While package is really the physical container in which you can put one or several products that could be the same product or different products. You will use usually package for the outbound process. So when you will deliver the goods to your customers, or you will pick the products and put them inside a carton box, inside a pallet, and then deliver the goods. You will be then able to track your package in its journey through, for example, a carrier. You can use also the package as the storage container. So you will receive the product, or you will decide at the moment to put several products inside a box, a pallet, and then you will track this package inside your warehouse and move it. And if you need to take some units inside, you will take it from there and move it to another package or to another destination location. But now let's go in Odoo to see that in practice. So first thing, if you want to use the package, you need to activate them under configuration settings, and there you have the packages. You have here a little explanation that explain you that you can put a product inside a pack and then track them. As soon as you have done that, you will see here under the menu product the packages. This is all the packages that exist, and you can see each time I can show you one that is here empty, the different of information. So you have the name of the product that is used also as the barcode. So you can, for example, here print your barcode of your package. You can associate a package type to your package. Usually, this is linked normally to your carrier, and you can see, for example, that for this one, you have constraints. A DHL pallet has a specific size, and the maximum weight is here 1000 kilos, for example, and you can also give a barcode to this package type. For this specific package, you can say that what is computed is the weight of each product inside, but you can override the information and say that it will be above, for example, or below. It could happen also for any reason. Then you can have a specific company. You can know where this package is located, and here you have the option to say that this package is a disposable box. So it's really the carton box that you will use once and then never used again. So when you will deliver your customer, and the reusable box is like the plastic box that you will use, for example, for picking purpose, or a pallet that will always have the same number. And below you have all the product that contain this package, and from this band button you can see the different transfer that happened with this package. But let's do an example. So I will create one SO with inside an acoustic block, and I will say that I have two products inside, and then I will take the cabinet with doors. I can confirm, and here I have my delivery. Usually when I use package, I prefer to show the detailed operation. So I will activate that, and I will put again my Odoo in English. Modifier, English again. And then I will go to my operation type. It's still in French. Yeah, now it's in English. So now I can show the detailed operation. And if I refresh here, I will see that in fact I have some product missing for my acoustic block. So I will add some quantity. I will say that in fact I have 100 units inside. Then I apply and I go back here. I check the viability. So now what I will do is I will say that I have this product that will be put in pack. Then these two that will be in another pack. So then I can validate. And from here, I save. You can click to print and then deliver slip. You will see that you will have the information of inside the pack 3 I have this product and the total amount total weight is it's not well configured, but you see the weight of the total weight of the package. If I go back to the view on which I was before, so with the packages, you will see that, for example, for my package 2, I have the cabinet with doors inside. Currently, my package is at the customer location, and if I go to the transfer, I see that it was to the Deco Addict in the Deco yeah, it went from my stock to customer and the contact was Deco Addict. So I have the different information, the SO and so on. So it's very useful. But so now I would like to show you another thing that could be interesting is I will change here my delivery and I will say that I in 2 steps. So I pick the goods, I put them in an outbound location, and then for my outbound location, I load the truck, for example, and I move my products to the customer. And on the operation type, I have here for the orders and for all the operation, an option move entire package. So I can select this option. And now I will do the exact same sell order, but you will see, first I will change a bit, sorry. I'm again on this one, so I will refresh. I will first do it without it, like this you will see the difference. So I save, and then I will do it again with this option. So I duplicate, I have my 2 products, I confirm, I have my 2 deliveries, and now I will do it through barcode. Like this, it's could be more interesting to see. So I go here. I will go to process my picking. So I will scan my 2 products here, this one, and I will put everything in one pack. So everything is in the pack 4, and then I validate my move. Now I will manage my delivery. That is in fact this one, if I remember well. And here you see that you need again to scan these 2 products, then this one, and then you can validate. Now I will show you how it can be different if you activate this option move entire package. So now I will do exactly the same. So I will duplicate my SO. I have my 2 pickings. This one is the 38, like this, it's easier to remember. Here I will do exactly the same. So I pick my products, I put everything in a pack, the pack 5, I validate. Now I go to my delivery, that is this one, and you will see that here instead of um, scanning the different products inside my pack, I can just scan my pack. So here I will simulate the the scanning of my pack. Just uh, scan my pack 5. My pack is scanned. I don't know why, but there is a little issue that I need to report to Andy. But normally the idea is that you scan here the package and it should be okay. In this case, there is, I think, a little issue, but the idea is that here you move the entire package instead of scanning the pack. Another thing that could be interesting with the package is the put away rule. So I can again show you something. You go in configuration put away rule, and I will say that if when my product arrive here and it's a package type palette, and it in this case it needs to move, for example, to in this case I will say shelf 2, but it's not really representative. I can say, for example, zone palettes zone, and so here to show you the example I will do it in 2 steps in addition. So I save here. I will buy some new products. I create Azure Interior. I take again some acoustic block. I will say 2. I confirm. I will receive my product. I will set some done quantity. I will say that it will go. I will just put here the done quantity and I will put it in pack afterwards. So if you look at now, you will see the pack 6. I confirm. And I will just add an extra information on the pack 6. I will say so that it's a palette because I made a put-away rule link to that. So I save. So now my product is inside the palette. And so when I will have to manage my internal transfer to move my product, where is my internal transfer? Someone archived the internal transfer, so it's here. You will see if you go to the little detail of importation that it proposes you directly to move it from your input to the shelf 2 because you have put the rule saying that if it's a palette, it needs to go to this location. So here to make it more realistic, it should be like zone specific zone to a palette and not a shelf. But you have the idea that you can create a put away rule linked to a package. Voilà, that's all. That's all for the video, and that's it. Yeah, I hope that you found this video interesting, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any question. Have a good day.